Alright guys, so we just landed at Haneda International Airport, Tokyo, Japan. There you go. So I think it's currently 4 something Japan time. So yep, there you go. So ang laki rin ng airline nila. There you go. See? Yeah, there you go guys. So and then I'm gonna be waiting for another 11 hours. Hi, thank you so much. Yep. So there you go. We're in Tokyo, Haneda International Airport. We're gonna be waiting for thank you so much. We're gonna be waiting for an 11-hour layover. So alright, I'm tired. Oh, there you go. So it's 4, almost 5. Pero maliwanag na. So there you go. So yep. I think this was the stopover as well in December 2022 when I fly with Japan Airlines from San Diego to Manila. So yep, there you go, we're here. So, and then from here we're gonna go to San Francisco later in the afternoon. So there you go, we're in Tokyo. Look at this, we got Carry 4. Ah, man, nakalimutan ko pala yung rosaryo sa kotse ni Mark. So bigay sa akin yun eh. So there you go guys. There you go. Mag-alas 5 parang ang liwanag yung sa kanila. Alas 5 pa lang yan. Yeah. Haneda International Airport, Tokyo, Japan. This is my stopover for 11 hours and then we'll be flying to San Francisco later. So alright, let's go find the transfer area. Alright, nakamiss na sa mga bata eh. Ayan. So there you go guys, there you go. Alright, so this video will be uploaded pagdating ko na ng Amerika. Ayan. Wala, nakatulog tayo konti lang. Ayan, so kaya nga medyo haggard na. So yeah, there you go guys. Ayan, Tokyo International Airport yun. Laki rin ng airport nila. Alright, so sige, hanapin natin yung transfer area, tapos pahinga lang tayo dun. I don't know, let me see if I have the energy to go out and let's ask kung pwede lumabas. Hindi natin alam eh, baka mawala ako eh. But tanong natin, pag hindi, dito lang tayo sa airport. Alright guys, thank you so much. John R. De La Cruz. Love you guys, peace.